Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you? It's been a little bit of a minute since I've done like an intro with a full face of makeup and like all that. Showing you guys how to do this Lux look. I was gonna say this Lux look and then look and then
yeah boy.
I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this orange look right here. We use a lot of E.L.F in this look, so it's a good one, it's an exciting one. Fall is my favorite season of the year. I feel like I thrive in fall. This is my jam, okay? I was born in the fall. I was born October 9th. I feel like I thrive in the fall. I was born in the fall, and honestly, this look is definitely a fun one for me. It brings out my inner Libra, my inner all my seasons. I hope you guys enjoy it. Before I let you guys go, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have hit that bell so you're notified each and every single time I upload a video. And also you guys, if you could share this, I would appreciate it. Make sure you give this a thumbs up. Let's get the ratings up. Let's get the engagement up. Also make sure you follow me on all my social medias. They have been playing in the beginning and I also have them linked down below. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the very end to figure out how I got this look. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. I hope you guys aren't sick of me using this palette, but I wanted to use this retrograde E.L.F retrograde paradise. I mentioned in last video, I believe it was, that I wanted to do something retro inspired, but I haven't really felt like much motivation as to what I could do. But I think I found it. I was scrolling for a little bit of inspiration. I found a little bit. I don't know that it's gonna be retro for exactly, but I found a really cute fall look that I really liked. I'm not gonna copy it, but it's something inspired by it. So we're gonna start with a little bit of P. Louise on the base. I like to tap this in with my finger because I don't necessarily like the way that that using a brush looks. So I just use my finger to spread it out, and then I use a sponge. And this is the way that I have found works best for me. Okay, I have two little shimmers from E.L.F that I think are gonna work amazing. And I just picked this one up right when I picked up this palette, the retro palette. And this one you guys saw in my Ulta haul. So this one is called Flirty Birdie. This is really pretty. And this one's called Copper Pop. And I think I want to incorporate one of these into the looks, or if not both of these, because they're both really beautiful. These right here, I definitely see myself going for a Copper Pop. We're gonna go in with the JH32 by Morphe, and we're gonna go in to Dijon right here. And I don't set my primer, my eyelid primer. I don't know why. You can if you want to. I just got into the habit of not doing it. And it's crazy because I used to always do it. I saw no way to do my makeup on a sticky base. But now it doesn't even bother me. You just have to blend a little bit harder. But the payoff that you get with the color, so easy. And especially with palettes that you're unsure of, a lot of drugstore palettes, while some of them, even high-end palettes, while some of them are stepping up their game a lot, a bunch of them are just kind of they're we don't need to. So they don't. Okay. Then I want to go in with this orange. I want to have an orange blowout moment. I'm going to have a brush like this, and I'm going to grab Caliente, which is that orangey one, right over here. I'm really into, I'm telling you guys, I was really into fall. I am pre-filming videos like crazy, and it doesn't even feel like something that I have to think about. It's just something that I'm just doing, and I feel really good about that. This is exactly how I need to keep it up. And I feel fall and winter are really gonna help me with that. But then spring comes and I'm just okay, colorful, pastels, bright, beautiful. It's a little challenging though, I will say, but it's okay. Do I look like a pumpkin? With nothing on this brush, I'm just gonna blend what I put down so that it doesn't look so harsh. And just go over what was blended away. I don't want a harsh line. I just want I don't want the distinction to be so big and obvious, Now, what do I want to do? I'm gonna go for this brush. This is a BH Cosmetics lip brush, I believe. This is in the shade 11. It's a little bit pointy. I'm gonna go in with Copper Pop. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, this is very this is so much darker than I anticipated. And I'm just gonna grab some on the back of this little brush. And I'm gonna get to work. It's right here. We just made like a copper wing. Very, very cool. I kind of want to see if I can do something like more avant-garde. I'm gonna keep my eye open because I have a hooded lid. You see that right there where it like meets, and I want this to go above my crease. I'm gonna need a little bit more because what I have on my hand is already drying. And just look straight ahead because that's when I get like the most obvious look. I don't necessarily know that this is what I was going for, but I'm not mad at it. I kind of want to do a bit of a smoky, like inner corner, like not smoky, but like I want to do like a feline inner corner. Let's just do the other side. I'm just gonna actually just grab it directly from the little brush, like the little applicator, onto the brush. This is why we start with the eyes when we do looks like this. Okay, we need a little bit more to close this in. Ideally, I would have used a finer brush, and next time I certainly will, but yeah, ideally for like this instance, I would have used like a thinner brush, but this is a good example of you work with what you got. And this is what I got, so I think I made it work. I'm gonna do my foundation. Wait. You have to wipe the fallout. I'm using like handy dandy Neutrogena wipes. I know that a lot of people are like, this like Neutrogena wipes are like super controversial. I only use my wipes to wipe out fallout. So, kind of burns. I don't know if that's good.
Suspicious.
But yeah, I know a lot of people like hate on the Neutrogena wipes. I'm still using my pump of this. I really like how this is mixing in with my foundation. So I do a pump of that, and then I'm gonna do like 2 pumps of the foundation, and then just like mix it in with your finger. It definitely like makes it really light coverage and definitely a lot more liquidy. And I didn't prime today. That's okay. This is just like a very realistic moment of how I do my makeup, and I don't prime all the time. Though I know a lot of people are like freaking out. Feel free to prime. Our face, our choice. You see how like dewy, glowy, luminous I look? Like I love this kind. I used to hate it, which is the ironic part in all this. I just can't get away from a glowy, dewy foundation. Like something about it. I think it just makes the skin look a little healthy. Shh. Doug, it already happened. Oh no, there's another one. Hey, that's the thing about him. He always like anticipates them. Maybe his like sensitive ears hear them before. And I looked up what that meant when a dog howls, and it's because he thinks it's his pack calling him. Dogs are so pure and so precious, and we do not deserve them. I'm gonna try to set this with a poof. Like the actual poof that I don't think it's gonna work out too hot, but yeah. I don't think this gave me like an even. Oh, and it's even lifting foundation, which never happens. Oh, my fan. My fan turned on. We're like 3 weeks away from my vacation, first vacation of the year, which is crazy because like I have like a, not beginning of the year, I have like an end of the year that kind of like lingers towards the beginning of the year because it's like a big vacation. It's like typically like a week and a half vacation. So I live for that vacation. That's my anniversary, Christmas vacation. Let me just put on a little bit of eyeliner. Here we go. So that's my like favorite vacation. Ideally, I do not like this eyeliner for this kind of thing, but this is just the one I had on hand. This is a trust in the process. I think I should fill, I don't want to do that though, but I guess I will. Just like fill out a little liner layer. But I think it's kind of redundant though, because I just did, you know, like I just did the glitter. We're gonna trust. So I want to go in with a bronzer. I'm not gonna go in with the deep bronzer, which is the bronzer that I go in with. That's kind of patchy, but I'm gonna try the sunset one. Maybe this one's a little better. I'm gonna go in with my favorite bronzer brush of the moment. I always like alternate between them. Oh, this one is so much better. The other one would just leave me like a big, bold, blotchy patch. So I just got my first outfit for my trip today in the mail. I don't know why, like I keep talking about this trip like I've never gone on a trip before. Actually, this is the first trip you guys have ever heard me talk about. Like I don't think I've ever done a video before. A trip. The first vacation of the year that I'm going on with my boyfriend, and since our first year together, we've gone on a bunch of trips. Especially like around this time, like during holiday time, like October, we go on trips. And if not October, then like definitely November. At least 3 times, like that's the minimum. 3 times is the minimum that we've gone on trips. Or if not 3, then like, yeah, like 3. 3 is the minimum. That was a nice time. I should do my eyebrows, they look really scary. Gonna go in with my E.L.F. I'm really enjoying this E.L.F. brow brush. This like moment that I have with it. It really cuts like the brow time in half. Oh my god, you see that? You see that, right? Ooh, okay, beautiful. We're gonna go in with the E.L.F. wax. There's no other description to it. It's just like a brow wax. And you put this on after your brows and you basically glue it in place. Perfecto. So we did the blush, we did the bronzer. We're not highlighting. That's what that was for, like the mixing the body oil in with the foundation. We're gonna do the under eyes. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of caliente. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a nude lip. I love this Retro Paradise lip kit that they came. I think it is the best one. Like the liners are creamy. The gloss is nice. I didn't think I would like it, but damn, I do. I'm thinking this gloss by Maybelline. It is called Stone 008. And I'm finishing my lips before I do the rest of my eyes. I know. Oh my god, I love like the monochromaticness of this all. Take off this. But we're not done, so let's not get carried away. Mascara and lash glue. So sorry for the noise. Okay, so I'm gonna try a new technique of putting on my lash. Yeah, let's put on the lash glue before. This is like a TikTok hack that I've seen. Which is kind of why I found it like dumb that I was putting on a bunch of things over here. When in literally like 20 seconds I was about to like take everything out. Okay, so we put on our dual lash glue, and while we wait for that to dry a little bit, I'm gonna be using Kiss Teddy lashes. I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara while I wait for the lash glue to dry on my eyelids. I don't think that the glue is ready yet, but I do think it'll be ready soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it off. Going in with my left one first. Huh, okay, it's sticking, but not all the way. Actually, yeah, not all the way. Oh no, you see, not this corner. Oh, now it's like pushing the glue into my actual eye. And this glue, do not fear if you're like, why are you okay with blue eyeliner? Like blue glue on your eyes? No, no, no. She dries clear. But if you feel a little bit more comfortable using black lash glue, then please go for it. I just like the dual like latex free one, the green one. Oh yeah, this was the way to go. You had to wait for it to dry. Because this one went on easy. I still have to like basically do like a tug of war with this one. But they're on. Okay, they're on. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed creating it with me, and thank you again for watching this video. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day. Make sure you guys are subscribed so that you guys don't miss out on any more fall looks that I've got going on, because I am just whipping them up. Ring the bell so you're notified each and every single time I upload a video. And also make sure you guys like this video. Again, share it with your friends, share it with your family. Let's get subscribers up, let's get the views up. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. Like I said, is the season where I thrive.
And I always say, you're a specimen.
I'm gonna give you good content, okay? I'm not just gonna sell you a palette, use it once. I'm gonna give you the content you are asking for. So I love you guys, and again, make sure you guys stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Like this, it's okay, we're wiping this away, but seriously. Retro Paradise palette. We're gonna do a little bit of, not sure if I'm gonna do like a liner. Jesus Christ. Guys, before I leave. Blech.